Welcome to day 4 of the Belly Up Bar Mai Tai week. Today I'm going to make a Mai Tai from Death & Company. Comes in at 25% ABV. Really pretty presentation. Fairly dark rums. Great taste. One of my favorites. So let's get started. Calls for lime juice. 1 lime juice. Get that squeezed out. Nice limes today again. And a 1/4 lime wedge. I'm gonna measure to see if I've got one here, or if I need to squeeze a bit more. Nope, I've got the one. All right. So it calls for 1/4 lime wedge. Squeeze it, drop it in, and 1 El Dorado 15-year-old. It's going to give it a lot of flavor. It's from Guyana, 80 proof. And 1 Appleton Signature, 80 proof. This used to be the VX. And 1/4 of La Favorite. This is 100 proof Agricole. It's going to give it that grassy tinge. And 1/2 Clement Creole Shrubb. This is not VSOP, this is orange liqueur. 1/2. And 3/4 ORGEAT. This is handmade, 1:1. 3/4. There's a recipe in the back of the Death & Company books. And 1 lime juice. Persian, as opposed to key lime. And 1 dash of Angostura. And it calls for whipping, so I've got a couple of cubes here in the bottom. Short whip. Just enough to get the ORGEAT mixed up. And then we're going to strain that into the ice-filled Mai Tai. Looking good. And a middle bit of mint on the side. And there you have it. This is the Mai Tai from Death & Company. Excellent. Had these before. One of my favorites. If you like this, please thumbs up and subscribe if you feel like it. As usual, a recipe will be in the description. I hope you can try one of these at home. And we'll see you next time. Friday will be another special Mai Tai with some strength to it, called the Ultimate Mai Tai. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.